I'm gonna give you my top 5 tips on how to protect your car from thieves. If you have a garage, you should be parking your car in a locked garage. Most of the crime that's happening, the cars are typically parked outside. Tip number 2, put a security system, home security system, video system, and alarm system outside of your house. So I personally use the Wise floodlights, another visual deterrent, anything that can be stuck on the steering wheel. A wheel lock. They also have those huge stainless steel containers that go over your wheel. Tip number 4, you need to get a Faraday box. There's a whole bunch of vehicles that are being stolen through a relay attack. Then they're most likely going to try to get into your OBD2 port. And so this is the port where they can actually plug into your car's computer and potentially reprogram a key. You could get a lock that goes over the OBD port so that they can't access it, or they have OBD2 relocators. You've actually relocated that port somewhere else in the vehicle that only you know where it is.